I'm not going to sit down until this person is off the plane. I'm right now at an airport, at an airplane, and there's a person getting deported to Afghanistan. Please don't take my phone, don't touch my phone. And the people here working are trying to take my phone away from me just because the person is going to get deported to Afghanistan where there's war and he's going to get killed. Trying to deportate the old man, he have actually pushed me and tried to forcibly move me. And what I'm all saying is that I'm not going to sit down until this person is off the plane, because he will most likely get killed if he is on this plane when it goes down. I'm not filming you, I'm filming myself.
Anyway, so you have to take your seat and turn it off, or you can leave the aircraft.
And what has the pilot said?
The pilot said we are going to Istanbul. In Istanbul they are going to decide what to do. Okay? We are not going to Afghanistan. So it's up to you.
But I don't want a man's life to be taken away just because you don't want to miss your flight. I'm very sorry that a man is going to die and that you are more worried about missing your flights.
For the 10th time, I'm telling you, turn it off.
The pilot has the right to say that he will not leave this place before he gets off the plane. It's not my fault that he's getting deported. I'm trying to stop this. I'm trying to stop it.
It's your country's rules.
Yeah, I'm trying to change my country's rules. I don't like them. It's not right to send people to hell. So as I said before, Ismail is not on this plane. Thank you. So there's a Turkish guy helping me out, telling me that what I'm doing is right? He's with me, with him, and some people are really applauding all this that I'm doing. And there's a football team at the back actually standing up. I don't know if they are trying to listen what I'm saying, but as long as they're standing, this plane is not allowed to go out. Standing with me, some people are, and some people are looking at me. Okay?
We open the door, both you and that passenger will not fly, okay?
Okay, can I go at the back to just see him go down?
Come to the front sec.
That he's here? Yeah? I will go to the front and see that he's out before I actually go off the plane. And when he's actually out, I will go off the plane and comply with the rules. So long I have not committed a crime, so... Är han i bilen?